Hello everyone, my name is Craig Sneed. This is my status report for the training seminar for the Cool Witches project. The report is based on a 5-month period. Currently, our project is in the green status. Our project is on track and will hopefully be completed on time. There are several elements that can affect the overall status of the report. It is essential to finish the task within the established timeline. If tasks are not completed on time, it can cause a delay, which may cause us to go past the deadline. Quality and completion of the deliverables are essential due to the fact that we want to provide a knowledgeable training seminar. There is a deadline that needs to be kept. Scope creep can happen at any time during the project. For example, there may be an unexpected schedule conflict with the trainer. We have to make sure to check in with the trainer to avoid any hiccups. Lastly, we have to make sure to stay within the budget. By working together and keeping track of all expenses, we will be able to know where the money is being spent. Currently, the team has completed 3 milestones. The first milestone is creating the project outline. The outline displays the tasks that need to be completed and the dates. Also, the individuals who are assigned to the task. The second milestone is we were able to gather the training materials for the training seminar. The third milestone is we assembled and created the handouts. Within the next few months, there are 2 significant milestones that need to be completed on time. The first milestone is the training plan. We will need to work with the facilities personnel in regards to setting up for the training seminar. The training equipment will need to be arranged and reserved for the dates. The digital materials will be sent out for approval. The second milestone is the travel schedule. Our team will need to clarify the dates for training. The venue and transportation for the training will need to be booked and reserved, just in case we might have to change venues. This is a chart which displays our outline for the Microsoft training. It includes the tasks that need to be done, the start and finish dates, and team individuals. And this is our presentation, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.